Students, we have discussed the interfacing of analog to digital converter with 8086 microprocessor in AMD in the previous class. Now today we are going to discuss about the interfacing of D to A converter, digital to analog converter, and its interfacing with 8086 microprocessor. The digital to analog converter convert binary numbers into their analog equivalent voltages, and the DAC, digital to analog converter, it is DAC. It finds the application in areas like digitally controlled gains or motor speed controls, programmable gain amplifiers, etc. And these DACs are available in integrated circuits, and their interfacing techniques will be with the microprocessor. So you can see the diagram. See, this is the interfacing of DAC 0808 with 8086 microprocessor, and it is a it's IC. This IC is the monolithic IC. It is 16 pin IC, and its main manufacturer are National Semiconductor, and it has the setting a time around 100 nanometer 100 millisecond, and it can operate on a various range of power supply voltage, means 0.45 volts to plus 18 volts, and the power supply required is V plus, means V plus is plus 5 volts, or it can be plus 12 volts. The V pin can be at the minimum of minus 12 volts, and the pin diagram of DAC you can see here. Pin definitions, इसके नाम से it is clear, and VLC, I out, V out, B1 से B7 is the binary data input which will be converted to output, and I out is the output current, and V is the output voltage. V plus is the voltage applied for reference. Then this is the block diagram of the interfacing of DAC 0800 with 8086 microprocessor through 8255 IC, and we will be performing some interfacing exercise through any assembly language program. So the structure you can see is pin number, यहाँ पे देखिए B0 to B1, it is connected with the data bus of 8255, PA0 to PA7, pin number 15 of the DAC is grounded, and pin number 1, 3 and 16, they are connected with the voltage supply of minus 12 volts. Then pin number 14 is applied 12 plus 5 volts. Pin number 4 per feedback, this is pin number 13 पे voltage applied will be plus 5 volts 12 volts के बीच में, and this interfacing is done to find out the for the generating a triangular wave of frequency 500 Hz using the interfacing circuit provided here, and 8086 system operation frequency is 8 megahertz, and the amplitude of the triangular wave is taken as plus 5 volts. This is the question, and we have to write a assembly language program for this. Now this is the V reference plus, RF plus, that is pin number 14. It should be having the plus 5 volts to generate a plus 5 triangular wave, plus 5 volt peak triangular wave, and required frequency as it is told that it is 500 Hz. So time period is 2 millisecond. Now 1 upon 500 Hz करेंगे तो 2 millisecond मिलेगा, assuming that the wave to be generated is symmetric. in the waveform will rise for 1 millisecond and for 1 millisecond because it is symmetric. Therefore, this will be repeated continuously. And the previous जो माइक्रो प्रोसेसर के प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम से डिलेज वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन सो मेनी डिलेज, सो वी विल बी यूजिंग डायरेक्टली delay for 1 millisecond, and here we are not writing separately delay routine for this purpose, and we can write the program for generation of the triangular waveform like this. This is the program. Now assume CS colon कोड सेगमेंट में we will be writing start. सबसे पहले तो 8255 हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. we will initialize 8255 ports. So move AL comma 80H. It has been initialized ports. Now out CWR comma AL and move AL comma 00H. तो रैम्प हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. AL में 00 डाला. बैक लूप में आउट पोर्ट A comma AL, इंक्रीमेंट AL. रैम्प इंक्रीज़ होते जाएगा जब तक कि 5 वोल्ट पीक नहीं आ जाता. तो इंक्रीज AL, कंपेयर AL विथ FFH, जंप ए बोरो बैक. यदि इट इज़ FF तो बैक हो जाएगा. बैक 1 में आउटपुट A comma AL आउटपुट हो जाएगा एंड इट विल स्टार्ट द फॉलोइंग DEC AL. अभी तक हमने DEC ट्रायंगुलर वेव जनरेट कर रहे हैं, तो राइजिंग एज हमने जनरेट किया अभी फर्स्ट लूप में. सेकेंड में ट्रेलिंग एज हम फॉलिंग रैम्प हम डिक्रीमेंट करके जनरेट करने वाले हैं. सो पोर्ट A comma AL डिक्रीमेंट AL का जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू अटेंड हो गया है FFH मान लीजिए, सो इसको डिक्रीमेंट स्टार्ट करेंगे. कंपेयर AL विथ 00 जब तक कि कंपेयर AL 00 नहीं हो जाता है. जैसे ही AL 0 हो जाएगा देन स्टार्ट अगेन एंड जंप टू बैक. एंड दिस इज, तो ये राइजिंग एज देन फॉलिंग एज, राइजिंग देन फॉलिंग, राइजिंग देन फॉलिंग, दिस विल बी कंटिन्यू टिल द एंड ऑफ द वेव फॉर्म.